Hey everybody, welcome to my video about the new 3rd generation AirPods that Apple debuted October 18th, 2021. In this video, I'll be telling you all about them and briefly comparing them to the rest of the AirPods lineup, so stay tuned. The new 3rd generation AirPods come with some cool new features such as spatial audio and a new contour design. The new AirPods still use the H1 chip but feature a new Apple-designed acoustic system that also uses computational audio to deliver breakthrough sound with adaptive EQ. You can now enjoy spatial audio featuring Dolby Atmos in Apple Music, movies, and TV shows, along with dynamic head tracking across Apple devices. The new AirPods are both water and sweat resistant and feature a force sensor like the one on the AirPods Pro to control music and phone calls. Apple extended the battery life up to 6 hours of listening time and up to 30 hours of total listening time with the charging case. The new design of the 3rd generation AirPods is lightweight and contoured, sitting at just the right angle for comfort and to direct audio into the ear according to Apple. The stem is shorter than the previous generation and features the same force sensor as the AirPods Pro for media control. The new AirPods are resistant to both sweat and water with an IPX4 rating for both the earbuds and the charging case. The new AirPods have a new redesigned custom driver and high dynamic range amplifier that together are supposed to produce powerful bass with crisp, clean high frequencies. The microphone is covered by an acoustic mesh to help reduce the sound of wind, so the speaker's voice comes across well on all calls. One of the coolest new features, I think, is that the new AirPods now use computational audio to bring the great audio experiences that people love on their AirPods Pro and AirPods Max, like adaptive EQ and spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, to even more people. I'm looking forward to trying this out. If true, this will bring better quality audio to more people with a lower price. The new adaptive EQ is supposed to tune sound in real time based on how AirPods fit in the user's ear. An inward-facing microphone monitors for sound, and then adaptive EQ, powered by computational audio, tunes the low and mid frequencies to account for what may be lost due to variances in fit. I think this could be a game changer. The new AirPods are also supposed to have the longer battery life mentioned earlier and even support MagSafe charging, which I think is pretty cool. So far, the documentation states that it will be compatible with Qi and MagSafe for wireless charging. But I'm wondering if they will charge via MagSafe from an iPhone. I'll be checking that out in my full review coming soon. 3rd generation AirPods will support spatial audio and dynamic head tracking for voices and group FaceTime calls. They will also support announced notifications, allowing Siri to read important time-sensitive notifications, including alerts from messages, reminders, calendar, and calls just like the AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. And they're finally adding the Find My Network feature, so you can use the Find My app to locate your AirPods if they're lost, just like the AirPods Max and AirPods Pro. Pricing starts at $179 US for the new 3rd generation AirPods. They are available to purchase now from the Apple Store and will start delivery and also be available in store on October 26th. The 2nd generation AirPods will remain in the lineup with a new reduced price of $129 US, and the AirPods Pro will remain at $249 US, but now apparently come with a MagSafe charging case, so that's a small change for the AirPods Pro. That's all the information about the new 3rd generation AirPods so far. Are you excited to try the new 3rd generation AirPods? Will you be buying them? If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can see my full review in the coming weeks. Also, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.